Like I said, we're at the top of the run and just kind of cruising along. I really miss you, bro. She's trying to keep me out of trouble, but it's not working.
I'm trying for you.
It's not the same without you. We can't find that little kid who was with you all last year, but we're still looking. I'll let you know. I don't know if I'll be able to drink 4 Monsters again this year. I'm on a diet. So, if you remember, here we are. Just so you know, the other foreign exchange students aren't as cool as you are. Should I try this? Should I try to hold the camera and ski?
No, you're...
I'll do it for you, bud. See if you can get the rush of this. Just don't lose my poles, please.
I'm scared.
Oh my goodness. The things I do for you, seriously. Okay, Pedro, we're gonna try this. I apologize for any screaming and or crying that happens. So, here we go, man. Alright, we come off a nice little turn right here. And we are off. Woo! Yeah! That's right, man. That's for you. Love you, bro. Love you, man. I miss you. I'm sure I'll make more movies for you.